Hey, future of healthcare nerds! Buckle up because we're diving into 2024's game-changing medical innovations that are literally transforming how doctors treat patients, and maybe saving your life in the process. Let's go! First up, telehealth. Yep, virtual doctor visits are now mainstream. Forget waiting rooms and travel. Your couch is the new clinic. Chronic conditions, sorted. All thanks to instant consultations from anywhere. Next, meet remote monitoring devices. Fancy gadgets that track your vitals in real time. From heart rate to blood sugar, they snitch on your health so doctors can stop problems before they become emergencies. Big win for wearable tech. And AI-driven diagnostics? Oh, they're stealing the show. Imagine algorithms that process mind-blowing amounts of data to catch diseases doctors might miss. We're talking Sherlock Holmes-level precision for your health. But it doesn't stop there. Think robotic surgeries with superhuman precision, wearable tech that's practically your personal doctor, and gene editing tools that scream sci-fi but real. The future of medicine is here, folks, and it's wild. So, are you ready for this healthcare revolution? Drop a comment if you're excited or maybe terrified, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more futuristic fun. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.